Create a bold statement face charm bracelet with this easy step-by-step tutorial. Learn how to combine chunky chains, jump rings, and a striking face charm to design a unique accessory. Perfect for beginners, this affordable project adds personality to your style. For the base, use a thick cable chain to create a bold foundation. Choose big statement face charms for a standout look. You will also need sturdy jump rings to securely attach each charm. Finish the bracelet with a lobster claw clasp for easy closure and adjustable, comfortable wear. Don't forget a ruler and jewelry pliers. For the first bracelet, measure and cut your chain to the desired length. Use 7 inches as the base to fit comfortably on your wrist. Then, add a 3-inch extension chain for adjustability. This allows you to attach the charm securely while ensuring the bracelet fits different wrist sizes with ease. I like to start by attaching the clasp first. Open a jump ring, insert it into the end of the base chain, add the lobster clasp, then close it tightly using pliers to ensure it is secure. Lay your chain base flat on your work surface to keep it straight and untangled. This helps you clearly plan charm placement and ensures even spacing before attaching each charm securely. Place the charms near the lobster clasp, keeping them slightly grouped toward one side. Leave extra chain length on the opposite end to attach the extension chain for adjustability. After laying out all your materials neatly on your workspace, you're ready to move to the next step. This preparation helps ensure a smooth process and accurate placement. Open a jump ring by twisting it sideways using pliers. Insert it through the loop of the face charm, then attach it securely to a link on the base chain before closing it tightly. Position the face charm about 2 links away from the lobster clasp for a balanced look. This spacing keeps the design comfortable while allowing the charm to stand out beautifully. Open another jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert it through the loop of the charm, then attach it to a link on the chain and close securely. Skip at least 2 chain links before attaching the next charm. This spacing keeps the bracelet balanced, prevents crowding, and allows each charm to stand out clearly along the chain. Repeat the same process with the remaining charms, opening jump rings, attaching each charm to the chain, and closing securely while keeping consistent spacing for a balanced, polished bracelet design. Always keep your chain and charms flat on your work surface to maintain alignment, prevent tangling, and ensure accurate, even placement. Lastly, attach the final charm by repeating the same process. Open a jump ring, insert it through the charm loop, connect it to the chain, and close it tightly to secure it. Because this is a statement bracelet and the face charms are large, I'm using only 4 charms. This keeps the design balanced, prevents overcrowding, and allows each charm to stand out beautifully on the chain. Your first bracelet is complete and ready to wear. Great job! Now let's move on to the next bracelet and continue creating another beautiful, stylish design step by step. For the second bracelet, measure and cut your chain to the desired length. Use 7 inches as the base to fit comfortably on your wrist. Then, add a 3-inch extension chain for adjustability. I'm using a large cable chain to complement and accommodate the first bracelet. Keeping it almost the same size helps both pieces layer nicely together while maintaining a balanced, stylish, and cohesive overall look on the wrist. Choose the same color for both bracelets to create a cohesive, polished look that complements your style beautifully. After measuring and cutting the chain to your desired length, open a jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert it into the end link of the chain, add the lobster clasp, then close it tightly using pliers to ensure a secure and durable attachment for everyday wear. This bracelet is so easy to make and doesn't require much work. With just a few simple steps and basic materials, you can quickly create a stylish and beautiful piece. Open one more jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert it into the end link on the other side of the bracelet, then add the tag. Close the jump ring tightly using pliers to secure everything in place and give your bracelet a clean, finished look. Choose a bold tag to give the bracelet a standout look. This simple addition enhances the design, adds personality, and complements the overall style beautifully. This bracelet will be simple and minimal, without any charms. It is designed to complement and accommodate the first bracelet, creating a balanced, layered look when worn together while keeping the overall style clean and elegant. The extra extension chain will be used as the closure for the lobster clasp. It allows easy fastening and provides adjustable sizing for a comfortable fit. I like to wear my bracelets layered for a stylish, stacked look. Mixing simple and statement pieces together adds dimension, enhances your outfit, and creates a trendy, personalized accessory combination. It's all about your preference. Wear your bracelet alone for a simple look or mix it with others for a layered, stylish effect that reflects your personal style. Your statement bracelets are now ready to wear. Enjoy your bold, stylish creations and pair them with your favorite outfits to showcase your unique handmade jewelry design. To add more texture and dimension to your bracelet, try layering different chain styles and designs. Mixing bold and simple pieces creates a unique, stylish look. For more creative bracelet ideas and step-by-step designs, watch the next video and continue exploring new ways to elevate your handmade jewelry collection. Watch more bracelet designs to keep your creativity flowing and discover new styles you can easily make at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with free step-by-step tutorials, tips, and beautiful handmade jewelry ideas you'll love creating and wearing.